हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, एच बी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से स्वागत है। क्लास 12 इकोनॉमिक सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश मीडियम में करने जा रहे हैं। असाइनमेंट 6 है जनवरी मंथ के लिए। सीजी बोर्ड के द्वारा टोटल 6 असाइनमेंट दिया गया था, जिसमें से आपको सिर्फ 2 असाइनमेंट जो है अपने स्कूल में जमा करना है। ऐसा शिक्षा मंडल का आदेश है। यदि आप चाहो तो इसको भी लिख कर जमा कर सकते हो, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से इसको लिखना जो है टाइम वेस्ट है, क्योंकि यदि ऑफलाइन एग्जाम होता है तो आपको पढ़ने का समय कम मिलेगा। इसलिए आप लोग जो है पढ़ाई पर विशेष फोकस करिए। मैं हमेशा हर वीडियो में यही बता रहा हूँ बच्चों को, क्योंकि भाई जब गवर्नमेंट ने खुद ही आदेश दिया है 2 ही असाइनमेंट जमा करना है, तो हम छः असाइनमेंट क्यों वक्त बर्बाद करें। इसका नंबर भी जोड़ना चाहिए यदि ऐसा हो रहा है तो ये वीडियो आपकी सहायता के लिए बनाया गया है, ताकि इसमें से एग्जामिनेशन में दिया है, तो इसलिए आप वीडियो को ध्यानपूर्वक देखिए और सुनिए। क्वेश्चन 1 है, राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बजट, व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ बजट। गवर्नमेंट बजट इज ए एनुअल फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द estimated receipt and expenditure of the government of the coming financial year, or rather the estimate the income and expenditure of the government is financial year is called budget. Objective of government budget: first, economic stability. The objective of government through the budget is to prevent fluctuation in the business such as inflation or deflation, in order to keep the price of good and service stable in the economy. इसके बाद सेकेंड है, देखिए, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. The economic growth of any country depends on the investment in that country during recession, when demand and private investment fall. इसके बाद थर्ड है, देखिए, for the management of public sector enterprises PSE. In the budget, the government make various provision for the management of a large number of public sector enterprises that are set up and managed by the government for the social welfare of the public. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन 2 है, एक्सप्लेन द प्रोसेस ऑफ बजट प्रोसीड्यूर. Following is the process of making budget in India. Preparation of the budget. The budget is prepared. Before making the budget, the Ministry of Finance asks for the estimated income expenditure account from the different ministries due the federal government system. Second है, presenting the budget. After the budget is made, it is passed by the Rajya Sabha and Parliament until the budget is approved. It is not considered effective here. Third है, general debate. After the finance minister has read the entire speech, the day of debate is fixed separately for the speech, which is discussed normally by the member of the opposition and the position. Voting. After the general debate, the expenditure related demand of each department are considered in Lok Sabha. Advance time is given to the members of parliament for this. 5 है, appropriation bill. According to the Indian constitution, the department can get the money appropriation bill approved by the parliament only after the approval. In fact, the appropriation bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha to spend the money dependent on the permanent fund. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन 3 है, व्हाट इज डिफिक्ट बजटिंग, राइट द टाइप ऑफ डिफिक्ट बजट. If we want to understand it in simple words, then we can say that deficit budget is that system in which is government spends more than its income. The government makes up for this deficit by taking loan or reducing its cash reserve deposit in the reserve bank. First है, primary deficit. The primary deficit is the fiscal deficit for the current financial year after deducting interest payment on previous year's borrowing. फार्मूला को नोट कर लेंगे। सेकेंड है रिवेन्यू डिफेक्ट। रिवेन्यू डिफेक्ट इज डिफाइंड एज द shortfall of revenue received as compared to revenue expenditure. In simple word, when revenue expenditure is more than revenue received, it is called revenue defect. Third है fiscal defect. Fiscal defect is the difference between total expenditure and total revenue excluding borrowing in a year. Question 4 है डिफरेंस बिटवीन बैलेंस बजट एंड अनबैलेंस बजट। आंसर, बैलेंस बजट is that budget is in which the estimated income the government for the year is equal to the estimated expenditure. This budget has been called the budget of living with the limit or resource. Almost no government supports this budget or policy. इसके बाद है अनबैलेंस बजट। A defect budget is a situation when the estimated expenditure the government exceeds the estimated income in the current year. Such a budget is considered a public benefit budget. Many governments prepare such a budget. नोट कर लेंगे। इसके बाद लास्ट क्वेश्चन 5, व्हाट इज द मेन component of budget explain. Answer, BJD receipt budget is received in a financial year. The government is expended by the estimated monetary income received from all sources. A revenue receipt. Government revenue receipt can be defined as monetary receipt in them. First, tax receipt. There are compulsory payment that is given by family farm institution unit of the government. In return the government cannot be extracted. Second है doing revenue receipt. Third है lending and other liability. Fourth है budget expenditure. उसके बाद ए है चार्जेस, बी पेनाल्टी, सी एस शीट, डी स्पेशल गवर्नमेंट। इस प्रकार इकोनॉमिक्स के सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर आपके कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं इंग्लिश मीडियम में। इसके जस्ट बाद आपको बिजनेस स्टडीज़ और अकाउंटेंसी के इंग्लिश मीडियम में आज आपको मिल जाएंगे दोस्तों। PDF यदि चाहे तो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से ज्वाइन होकर ले सकते हैं, है ना।